He is in it for the kid. And when Kyle's mantra is all means all, and when he says he's in it for all the kids, he's in it for all the kids.
He realizes that the public school system is there for people of all walks of life, and he steps forward and makes sure that any program that we have benefits all students throughout the system.
A huge need that we have is our middle school students, when they are suspended, usually they go home to an environment that's not very good, and you can just basically push pause on their academic progress at that point.
Those kids need advocates. They need support.
Out of that came COPE, Community Outreach, Prevention, and Education. Those students can go to Western Plains. We still send their school food there, so they have school meals. We send their lessons out there electronically, so their education continues and they get counseling.
What I love about COPE, and we've got the outcomes to prove this, is that when they come here, even though they may come to us as a fifth grader, they may be reading at a fourth grade or a third grade level and are way behind in school. And what I'm really proud of is that almost every kid that we've had so far, and we started this in August, has left much, much better, much, much more advanced in their grade levels than when they came. And we're really proud of that.
Technical Applications Program serves Woodward's 6th graders all the way through 9th grade, and their day is hands-on. They're moving, they're up around the classroom with their hands-on projects, from construction trades to wind energy to mechanics, diesel mechanics, and welding.
TAP is awesome. TAP makes kids want to go to school.
It gives children motivation. I mean, they see learning in action.
And so when we find that thing that gets them excited about school, then school becomes relevant. And we have reduced that dropout risk exponentially.
What's up?
Our motto at Woodward Schools says, Woodward Boomers will become lifelong learners with a pioneer spirit. It doesn't say most of them. It doesn't say 75% of them. It's all.